Crash Course on Georgia, USA. Georgia is a southeastern state in the United States, known for its rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning landscapes. Let's dive into some key aspects of Georgia. Geographical location. Georgia is located in the southeastern region of the United States. It shares borders with Florida, Alabama, Tennessee, North Carolina, and South Carolina. The state is situated on the Atlantic coastal plain, featuring diverse geography from coastal areas to the Blue Ridge Mountains. Capital. The capital city of Georgia is Atlanta, which is also the largest city in the state. Atlanta serves as a major cultural and economic hub, known for its modern skyline and southern hospitality. Population. Georgia is the 8th most populous state in the U.S., with a population of over 10 million people. It is a diverse state, comprising various ethnicities and cultures, contributing to its vibrant social fabric. Economy. Georgia has a robust economy driven by diverse industries. It is a major center for business, transportation, and logistics, with Atlanta being a prominent financial hub. Agriculture, manufacturing, film production, and technology sectors also play significant roles in the state's economy. Education. Georgia is home to several prestigious universities and colleges, including the University of Georgia, Georgia Tech, and Emory University. The state places importance on education and offers a wide range of educational opportunities for students. Brief history. Georgia has a rich history dating back to its founding in 1732. It played a crucial role during the American Revolutionary War and Civil Rights Movement. The state's historical sites, such as Savannah's Historic District and Martin Luther King Jr. National Historic Site, showcase its cultural heritage. Cultures and politics. Georgia embraces a blend of cultures, including African American, Native American, and European influences. The state celebrates its diverse heritage through festivals, music, arts, and culinary traditions. Politically, Georgia is known for its dynamic landscape, with both rural and urban areas influencing state and national politics. Top 12 attractions in Georgia. 1. Atlanta. Explore the vibrant cityscape. Visit the Georgia Aquarium, World of Coca-Cola, and the Atlanta Botanical Garden. 2. Savannah. Experience the historic charm, stroll along River Street, and admire the antebellum architecture. 3. Stone Mountain Park. Discover the massive granite dome, enjoy outdoor activities, and witness the famous laser light show. 4. Tybee Island. Relax on the pristine beaches, explore the Tybee Island Light Station, and indulge in fresh seafood. 5. Callaway Gardens. Immerse yourself in nature's beauty, explore botanical gardens, and engage in outdoor adventures. 6. Jekyll Island. Unwind on tranquil beaches, visit the Georgia Sea Turtle Center, and explore historic landmarks. 7. Augusta. Known for the Augusta National Golf Club, enjoy golfing, explore the Riverwalk, and visit the Augusta Museum of History. 8. Macon. Delve into the city's music heritage, visit the Hay House, Ocmulgee Mounds National Historical Park, and Cherry Blossom Festival. 9. Helen. Experience a taste of Bavaria in Georgia, enjoy outdoor activities, and visit Anna Ruby Falls. 10. Columbus. Explore the Chattahoochee Riverwalk, National Infantry Museum, and the beautiful Columbus Botanical Garden. 11. Athens. Home to the University of Georgia, immerse yourself in the college town atmosphere and visit the State Botanical Garden. 12. Cumberland Island. Discover untouched wilderness, pristine beaches, and visit the ruins of the Dungeness Mansion. Summary. Georgia, with its diverse geography, rich history, thriving economy, and vibrant culture, offers a captivating experience for visitors. From the bustling city life in Atlanta to the coastal beauty of Savannah and the natural wonders scattered throughout the state, Georgia has something for everyone. Poem about Georgia. In Georgia's heart, a tapestry unfolds, where tales of the past and new stories are told. From Atlanta's gleaming towers that reach the sky, to Savannah's cobblestone streets, where time flies by. The rhythm of Georgia, a cultural blend. From music to cuisine, a journey without end. Southern hospitality, warm and kind. In every corner, it's what you'll find. In Stone Mountain's embrace, we stand tall, where nature's wonders captivate us all. And Jekyll Island's shores, serene and fair, whisper secrets of a time so rare. From Augusta's greens to Macon's soulful tune, the spirit of Georgia forever blooms. Helen's Bavarian charm, a delight to behold. And Athens, where knowledge and passion unfold. Cumberland Island, a wilderness untamed, where dreams and nature's beauty are proclaimed. In Georgia's embrace, we find our place. A state of grace, a boundless embrace. Song about Georgia. Verse 1. In Georgia's land of endless dreams, where stories flow like timeless streams. From Atlanta's city lights so bright, to Savannah's grace in the moonlight. Chorus. Oh, Georgia, your spirit so free. From mountains tall to coastal glee, with history rich and cultures diverse. In your embrace, we find our universe. Verse 2. Stone Mountain's majesty, a sight to behold. Jekyll Island's secrets, waiting to be told. Augusta's fairways, a golfer's delight. Macon's melodies, filling the night. Bridge. From Helen's charm to Athens' pride. Georgia's treasures, far and wide. Cumberland Island's beauty unspoiled. In Georgia's heart, our spirits are coiled. Chorus. Oh, Georgia, your spirit so free. From mountains tall to coastal glee, with history rich and cultures diverse. In your embrace, we find our universe. Outrow. In Georgia's embrace, we'll forever roam. A state that feels like home sweet home. Oh, Georgia, our love for you will never fade. A land of wonders, where memories are made. Note: the poem and song provided are original creations and can be modified or personalized as desired.